hope everybody is happy at home. Today, I thought I might show you how to make a rainbow at home. There isn't very many things that you should need, so hopefully you might all have these at home. To do this rainbow experiment, you need a piece of kitchen towel, something around about this width, and you can cut it using some scissors, and maybe just about that wide. So if you make yourself a piece about that big. You need 6 felt tips, and you need a red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, which are the colours of the rainbow. I've put them in the order of the colours of the rainbow there, so you could try and copy that. And you need 2 jars or 2 cups full of water. So they need to be about that far from the top. And if you're going to use a glass, just make sure that you've got an adult with you helping you. I've got a glass today, but you could use a cup, it's absolutely fine. So the first thing you need to do is to colour in strips like this on your piece of kitchen towel. And I've done that on this one already, so you don't have to sit and watch me colour in for a little bit. So you start with red, orange, yellow, green, blue and purple. And then the same on the other side, going the other way. Okay, so you end up with this, make sure you've got a good sized gap in the middle. Then you need to just pop your cups a little bit away from each other like this, and you can watch very carefully for your rainbow to appear. So if you dip each side of your piece of kitchen towel in your cups and stretch them across your cups and wait, and you can see the water starts wetting the kitchen towel. And it starts going up, and then watch when it gets to the top of where the pen finishes, the rainbow starts chasing itself across the kitchen towel. So if you watch, can you see the colours start to come across? And then if you keep watching for a little while, more and more water soaks up, and your rainbow starts going all the way across. So if we leave that for a couple of seconds, I think they should meet in the middle. If you need to get it a little bit more wet, you can just dip it down slightly. They're still going, they're still moving. And we can still see all of the colours if you see. So you've got red, orange, yellow, green, blue and purple. And they've nearly met each other. So we've nearly got our full rainbow shape. So a rainbow is an arc like this. There we go, they're nearly there. The last little bit. And there they are, they've all met up. So now you've got a lovely rainbow with all of the colours in. So that is quite quick and easy to do while you're at home.